In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eBay's bulk listing tools effectively. Managing multiple listings on eBay can be quite the task, but with tools like Selling Manager Pro or File Exchange, you can streamline this process significantly. Let's dive into how you can make the most of these powerful tools. To begin with, let's talk about preparing product details in spreadsheets for quick upload. It's essential to organize all your product information systematically. Use a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to compile details such as item titles, descriptions, prices, and stock levels. This approach not only keeps your data organized but also allows for a seamless transfer into eBay's bulk listing tools. Ensure each column in your spreadsheet matches the information fields required by the bulk tools. By doing this, you reduce the time spent manually entering data later on, making the upload process much faster and more efficient. Next, we'll utilize listing templates for faster creation. Templates are a great way to maintain consistency across your listings. eBay Selling Manager Pro offers features that help you create and save templates tailored to your needs. Use these templates to standardize format and information, so each listing looks professional and uniform. This consistency can enhance your buyer's shopping experience, thus increasing your chances of making sales. Remember to customize templates based on product categories to include relevant details like shipping specifics or return policies specific to certain items. Once your spreadsheet is ready and your templates are set, it's time to review and submit multiple listings simultaneously. Before uploading, always take a few moments to double-check the information for errors. It's a good idea to ensure all links are functioning, images are correctly displayed, and descriptions are accurate and free from typos. eBay's File Exchange or Selling Manager Pro tools allow you to upload your entire spreadsheet and autofill template details for multiple listings at once. This bulk review and submission capability is a massive time saver, empowering you to update or post numerous listings swiftly. After submitting, monitor the listings for any potential issues or revisions. It's crucial to be proactive and responsive to buyer inquiries to build good reputations and enhance sales. Leveraging eBay's platform tools, you can efficiently automate responses or set alerts for tracking new messages or offers, ensuring you never miss a sales opportunity. In conclusion, eBay's bulk listing tools can revolutionize the way you manage your online store, making daily tasks much more manageable and less time-consuming. By preparing product details in advance, utilizing templates, and reviewing before bulk uploads, you can efficiently handle multiple listings with ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and strategies like this to maximize your online selling potential.